A very good afternoon, Team Zimbabwe. Masquera say, Masquera say, Masquera say. My name is Ronald Wekwa-Makusha. Welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. Vana vechikoro vanosvika 7 kana kudarika vakawirwa nechiclassroom kunzvimbo yeKwekwe pachikoro chinonzi Globe and Phoenix. Ndizo zvatiri kuona pabepanhau reNewsday uye zvichinge zvichikonfirmwa naMP weKwekwe Mai Judith Tobaiwa. So ndo mamiriro azvakaita. According to this report, they say that 7 pupils injured as classroom floors cave in. This is the picture of the classroom, which is right here on the screen. And what is happening is that there is a mine shaft which is running beneath the school. And because of some pressures dzinenge dzichiitika, yakabva yaondomoka yakabva yawira mukati. And Kwekwe Central MP Judith Tobaiwa lamented this and said that she warned the authorities about it, but they never acted in time. So it says that 7 pupils at Globe and Phoenix Primary School in Kwekwe were injured this morning after floors of a classroom block collapsed into a mining shaft running underground. Kwekwe Central legislator Judith Tobaiwa has confirmed the accident, saying she would soon be at the school to assess the situation. Some 6 years ago, there were recommendations to relocate the school after illegal gold panels descended on the school premises in search of gold. So this is what happened to Team Zimbabwe. Team regoridhe rinomhanya pese pese and team regoridhe rinongwavha ngwavha ndo zvakauraya this place, ndo zvakauraya nzvimbo ino, just because there is no order in terms of how extraction should happen, especially when it is being done by artisanal miners. So according to the MP, she said that around 13 people were injured and they are hospitalized. So I don't know, guys, this is 13 pupils, not people who got injured. So Team Zimbabwe, I love you all. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for the support you have been offering us on this platform. Those who come Katmenika, yes, Zimbabwe, we hope to see a government which is going to prioritize safety of our children, safety of learners, safety of these people in their areas of work. My name is Ronald Wekwa-Makusha. Let us meet in other episodes and other broadcasts.